Hello and welcome to the Scriptcase video. My name is Jamie Oates and I am your host. In this short video I will be showing you one of the latest additions to Scriptcase, the new macro SC button disabled. You can find more information about this macro within the Scriptcase help documentation. Visiting the scriptcase.net website, you can view the help documentation and there within the left-hand menu access macros and macros again, and there you will be presented a list of all of the macros available for all of the applications. Here I have already selected the SC button disabled. With this macro, we can dynamically enable or disable toolbar buttons within our applications. Scrolling down, we have many parameters and information regarding this macro and how we can use it, as well as the buttons that we can hide within our grid form control applications. We also have an example as well as the macro scope, meaning in which applications and on which events we can use this new macro. So to start off with, I will go ahead and copy here the example. So I will be using this macro within a form application. So for a form application, I would have to take note of the events in which I can use this new macro. So here we have the on after, delete, as well as insert and update events, the script init, load, navigate, load record, refresh, as well as for validations. Within my form application, I will then access the on script init event and then paste the script that I had just copied. So here I have now the SC button disabled, delete on, or SC button disabled, delete off. Now that is depending if the user is admin or not. So if I now go ahead and run the form application, now within the form application, I will be asked if the user is admin or to enter the username. So I will just continue, and we can see now that the delete button is still active. But now if I return back to the form again and run it once more, the form will start again. And this time I will enter the username admin and run the form mobile. And we can see now that the delete button is now disabled. We can also apply the same feature within a grid application. We can also use this macro within the grid application. Within the grid application, I will access the events folder and there click on script init. Here again, I will paste the same code I have just copied from the macro example. And this time I will want to hide the summary or disable the summary. So I will change the delete to summary in both for admin and non-admin users, and then go ahead and run the grid application. Now this time again, I will not enter any username and continue, and we can see here that we have the summary active. And now if I run the grid application again and this time enter the username admin and load, we can see that this time the summary button has been disabled. Thank you for watching this Scriptcase video.